Hey, it's me, Nicole Scheffler. I am super happy to be here to talk to you really quickly about sending out cards for the holidays. In my previous series, I showed you how to create a group. Super simple. In fact, I'm just going to make this last one series just about how to create a campaign that will give you your system send. So you can one click and send to all of the people in your holiday group list, which is amazing. Send out cards will print and send the cards to your people. Super gorgeous cards. This is one that we did a previous year. And it just allows you to add these cute pictures, and I love it. And then you don't have to deal with it at all. You just do it. It automates it. It's super awesome. This is another Christmas one we did another year with some pictures in here. You can also use Canva, which is a web app that would help you like prepare your photos for the cards or do like custom backs. If you decide to do a card that's like this, you might want to look up custom backs on Canva or let me know and I'll help you make one that's like the right orientation for the cards. But super easy. Let me go ahead and share my screen and show you how to now send your cards. So we'll recap. We talked last time about some of the pricing. So here's where you can look at the pricing, or you can just put it in there, load it, and see kind of what it would look like before you hit send, and play around with it. Be like, oh, these are this much, okay. And then I'm probably gonna do this system package because I know that between this Christmas and next Christmas, I will send 300 cards via system send. So I think that this is the best deal. It makes it $1.31 a card, which is so cheap. And then you just pay shipping. So we've gone in and we've done some groups already. So we've already looked at the holiday group. We did this on the last video. Check it out. And we have everything. The dog family, the Schefflers, the Smiths. Great. This is my holiday list. I'm feeling good. I'm ready to set up my campaign. So a campaign, I've never purchased any yet, but I want to go to my campaigns and I want to say, okay, I'm going to do a new campaign and I'm going to call it the best holiday cards because this is going to be the best holiday card ever because some of you are doing it new. Great. And I want to add a card to this campaign. So it's in the campaign, best holiday card ever. So I'm going to go down to holidays and I'm going to do Holly Jolly, the photo drop, because I like to drop my photos in. Sometimes the lettering like doesn't look that great over the photos, but in general, you know, you can play around with it. And it is loading that selection. You know, cards are just a great way to connect with people and send your love, and I love sending cards, so happy to make this video. Now, I want this to be a 2-panel card. You can make it flat, 3-panel post. All of these are like one price of cards. And then unless you're getting a big card and paying a premium or satin or pearl paper. So let's just do the basic paper. We are on the $17 plan for this account because this is my test account. So we want to do Holly Jolly. That is so cute. So you can also like size it if you wanted. Wow, there she is. All right, so cool. And then on the inside, we can do like another little picture. We could say, you know, Nora 2019, great. And then here, maybe we want to do the background green. And then here we can write Happy Holidays. Oh man, how easy is this? And obviously you can spend more time decorating your card. You could change the layout of the back. So it's like another picture of your family. So you can do another picture of your family. It will have your return address and their address on it. But it's cool that it allows you to be custom. It's great for businesses because you can put a custom business one on here. This was one that Ryan Kelly used to do with his business. And it was really great because he was a realtor. He helped us and then he sent those cards. So now I have this card, which had a picture of me on it, but then it's custom back. So super awesome. So I'm just going to be add to campaign. It's going to add this into my campaign for Christmas. So it does the Holly Jolly, and it's as easy as that. I'm going to save my campaign. And one cool thing about it is that this would immediately send. I like to do a little delay in case I like change my mind or want to edit someone's address. So you can send it on a specific day In this case, you could do it like the 13th, and then it will get there like right before Christmas, and you'll see like the date change from immediate to December 13th. So I'm ready. I have it in a campaign versus a card. Campaigns allow one-to-many sends, and it allows you to like schedule it. So I want to select this card and do create. And then it's basically saying, hey, I'm going to send this card. You can look at it one last time. This is the card. It's going to show inside right, inside left. And then I scroll down and add recipients. I am looking at my group here. I can view contacts or I can view the group. I'm going to view the members of the group just to make sure, yeah, that's the group I want. Done. Saving. It's like, hey, look it over one more time. Make sure you love it. In fact, you can say like, I just want it to be like the dogs instead of the dog family. So you'd be like, I just don't want to address it to them. Or, sometimes people have life changes that make you like want to, okay, well, it's not this person or the family. Maybe it's an individual now. And then you just do ready to send. So it will say, okay, that group had 3 people in it. I'm at 225 because that's the plan that I'm on. 225 heartfelt and system card. Now, if I have 20, it's going to lower the price to $2 a card there. And then you'll see shipping. You are paying shipping, which is the stamps. And it's going to give you that remaining charges. So it's easily going to tell you. This allows you if you have like heartfelt cards or free cards in the system, and you would just hit send, and your holiday cards are over. So again, if you need any other help, you can go to the account and go to the top to the resource center and go down to tutorials, and there are much more robust tutorials you can watch again and again on every single thing about the site, how to use the relationship, how to import contacts. And I am here to help you. I have a website as well. I will put it at the bottom of the video. So check it out and connect with me if you want me to help. And I look forward to seeing your beautiful holiday cards and giving you that time back to spend with family, connect with family, and organize your photos, maybe update that security password. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoy it. This should be super easy, and happy holidays.